No. You are not allowed to swear in front of children on movie sets. So I had swear jars. You know, swear jars. If you said the S word, you had to put in $1. If you said the F word, you had to put in $2. And, you know, the whole crew participated because we had kids on the set. Here you two are, young kids.
Sure.
And, you know, of course, once in a blue moon, we'd all be like a bank, and then we'd be like, put money in the swear jar. And, you know, it all went fine. We all got very tired of it, but they were cute and nice kids. And the last shot of the movie was the scene where they run down the dock and then jump into the lake. And I remember we had like safety people in the lake and stunt people and, you know, and the whole thing and cranes and thing. I mean, I'm telling you, they jump off a dock into water like 2 feet deep. And, you know, it's like a big thing and towels and everybody's like, and they, you know, run and then they jump into the thing. They're fine. And then everybody's like, oh, yay, and everything. And now they're going to be finished with the movie. And there they are, wrapped in their towels, standing at the edge of the dock. And they go, ladies and gentlemen, that is a wrap for Macaulay Culkin and Anna Chlumsky. And everybody goes like this. And I took the 2 cans, and I walked up to each of them. Each of the cans had like $500 in it.
Oh, wow.
500 pounds. And I walked up to each of the kids, and I went, fuck you.